Hey guys, my name is Khushbu and I'm 24 years old. Welcome to the brand new episode of Us vs Expert. And talking about the expert, I'm sitting here with Vritti Srivastav, who's a nutritionist. Today, in the episode of Us vs Expert, I'm going to test my knowledge of women's health, mainly protein for women. I here have a bowl full of questions that the expert will pick at random. First, I'll give my answer, followed by the expert's answer. Are you ready?
Yes.
Awesome, let's go.
Great. All right, Khushbu. So here's the first question. Okay. So is it good for women to take protein supplements?
I'm sure it's good for women to take protein supplements. I only worry that it might make us look a little muscular.
Okay. So there's nothing wrong with having a protein shake. You may not need to consume one every day. While supplements can boost protein for women with increased needs, like athletes and pregnant women, you can fulfill your daily protein requirements by eating whole foods. Protein supplements help women maintain radiant skin and strong bones and help the body recover faster from injury. One of the biggest benefits of protein for women is that it provides energy all day long. Okay, ready to test your knowledge?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. So, what are the disadvantages of taking protein supplement?
Are there any?
Well, yes, it may be high in added sugars and calories. Some protein powders have little added sugar and others have a lot, as much as 23 grams per scoop. Some protein powders wind up turning a glass of milk into a drink with more than 1200 calories. The risk? Weight gain and an unhealthy spike in blood sugar. The main side effects of consuming a lot of protein powder are digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and cramping. So if you have food sensitivities, be sure to read the label first. Alright, ready for the next question?
Yes.
Okay. Well, this is the most sought after. So is whey protein safe for women and what are the side effects, if any?
I'm gonna go and say it is safe if taken in moderation. The side effects might be from kinds of ingredients various brands use. Maybe some might be allergic to some of the ingredients.
Okay. In one word, yes. So go right ahead if you've decided to go for whey protein. Whey protein is safe to consume. However, whey protein comes from milk, which is unsuitable for vegans and those with a dairy or lactose allergy. It'll be helpful for your muscles and bone health, plus it's a cherry on top if you're an athlete. And even if you aren't an athlete, a little better nutritional plan has never harmed anyone. And it's safe for most adults when taken appropriately. High doses can cause some side effects such as increased bowel movements, acne, nausea, thirst, bloating, reduced appetite, tiredness, and headaches. Okay, let's test your knowledge with the next question now. Okay, this is something that most women wonder. Now, do women need protein powder to build their muscles?
Yes, I feel a high protein diet will definitely lead to women building muscle gain.
Okay. So while women on average have less muscle mass compared to men, the ability to build and maintain muscle can easily be attained with the consumption of a high protein diet and adequate intakes of essential vitamins and minerals. To gain muscle mass, it's also important to consume enough calories along with adequate protein to support muscle growth and recovery, as amino acids in protein are what builds and repairs muscle tissue in the body. If it's not easy to get that through whole foods, protein shakes are an easy aid.
Oh well, I'm actually glad that I got to learn this because I was personally under a lot of misconception when it came to women taking protein supplements. I would like to thank you for being with us here today and for sharing such essential information.
Thank you, it was a pleasure for me.
This was really fun to do. Why don't you all write your questions that you want to ask the experts in the comments below? Until then, subscribe to HyugaLife for such interesting videos.